Hi there, welcome to another Huson DIY video. My name is Ben. This video we're going to talk about a new product I've received through the post today, which is the Flipper Zero. So this is originates from a Kickstarter project. So I've backed a few Kickstarter projects over the years. I think the Flipper Zero was the last one I backed because there were a few that didn't deliver or they finished early, etc. People who use Kickstarter will know some of the issues with Kickstarter. The Flipper Zero, kind of the Flipper team throughout, I've kind of followed along loosely, not day-to-day tracking, but I've been really good on communication, really good on updates, etc. Some projects, that's where they fail. The communication is extremely poor. Don't let backers know what's going on, and that's where people start complaining. But anyway, less of that. The Flipper Zero. So I received that today in the post. Came in the box like this. Nice cardboard box. Like so. I've not even opened it yet, not done anything with it yet. I also ordered some prototyping boards with it. I'll be honest, I probably won't use them because I probably don't know what I'm doing, but they look quite cool, so I've got them anyway. So let's flip down to the web browser first. So I just wanted to show you people who aren't familiar with the Flipper Zero product. There is a website, the flipperzero.1 website, which goes through what the Flipper Zero is, which it's kind of a Tamagotchi on speed. It's basically a hacking device. I've got to be honest, I probably need a lot of guidance and help using this. But there's all kinds of stuff you can do with it. It's got the different transceivers in it, Bluetooth connectivity, RFID, NFC, the Bluetooth's there, and the infrared transceiver. So there's a couple of things I'm probably going to do initially, which is connect it to my phone for the app. I'm going to use it for the garage door opener that I've got, so I'm going to probably try and do that with it. We'll do the unboxing on this video, have a look at it, get it switched on, connect it to my phone, and then I'll do another video where we get the garage door hack done. So that's a Flipper One site. It's a Kickstarter page. Again, I'll put all these links in the description if anyone's interested. There's a forum. The place I've been keeping up with is on the Discord, so I just drop into Discord every now and again just to see the general chitter chatter that's going on. There's a great community in there by the looks of it. I did post in there today saying I was going to do a video later. So this is the video that I said I was going to do. So yeah, by all means, if you've not seen the Flipper or you've got a Flipper coming and you wasn't aware of this going on, jump on there, have a look at that, and see what people are talking about. So let's head over to the desk. So I've got the product. It's just in a very simple cardboard box, but it's got the product on the front of it. It's got that there, a little bit more. All the different connectivity types on that side of it there. Social media pages on there, like so. So let's open it up. As I say, I've not opened it yet. I've not even brought the tape. So let's go through that. So hopefully that's a cool little sticker, which we can use. Quick start guide. Talks about micro SD, powering on, updating firmware, rebooting, and some small print on the back. Don't really care about that. So in the box itself, looks like we've got a USB Type C cable at the top, like so. Foam pad holding that in, and the flipper. So I went for the black one. I forgot I went for the black one, to be honest with you. I went for the black one, so just put that there. So that's the rest of the cardboard box. Some cool logos on the inside of it there. Foam padded, which is really good. Sometimes you get stuff like this and they're just chucked in a bit of cardboard, so that's really well packaged. So let's pop that there like so. Pop that out of the way. So there it is. There's the flipper. So there's a sticker. So just in reference, I got a 20 pence piece there. AAA battery. just so you can see in reference to those how big it is. And a micro SD card, like so. Okay, so let's go for it. So it says on the front there, if you can see that on the camera, it says hold the back button to wake me up. So I'm going to hold the back button now. It's awake, so I'll take that sticker off now. It says, hey mate, press right arrow key to continue. First of all, thank you for your support. Kickstarter campaign was insane. It was pretty insane. Good to be part of it. Let me introduce myself. I am Laney, the cyber dolphin living in your pocket. I can grow smart and cool and you can use me often, as long as you read, write and emulate. Awesome. You can check my level and mood in the passport menu. I'm a lucid dream I could walk. Okay, so it's on. It's pretty well backlit that screen. It's not heavy, but it's got, you could hurt someone with it if you hit them with it type thing. It's not heavy, if you know what I mean. I don't know what to compare it to. Well, I got my phone. It's probably, yeah, it's lighter than my phone, but it's not that light. To be fair, there's a backlight going off. Okay, so we've got all the settings, etc., etc. So what I will do is I'm going to pop in the SD card and format the SD card. So it's I've got a total spare one here. Obviously, I put it in the wrong way around. That always happens. Okay, so I popped in the SD card. So I've got the SD card in. I'll find this in the menu to format it first. Format the SD card, and then we'll connect it to the phone on my Android phone. Sorry, the application on my Android phone, and then we'll leave it there. And I'll try and do the garage door hack later and do another video on that. So let's flick back to this one. So I have no idea where I'm going, although it does tell me in the instructions what to do. Make sure to insert the blah blah blah. Can support up to 256 gigabytes. I've put a 64 gigabyte card in. That's cool. It doesn't say where to go in the menu, so let's just try and find it. So we've got storage, I assume it'll be there. Format SD card in the menu. That was pretty simple to find. So I'll format the SD. All data will be lost. Formatting. Oops. Got that away for you. Excuse me. SD card formatted. Please press back to return. Okay, back. Okay, so let me get my phone. So we'll get I got my phone. I've got the app downloaded, but I've not done anything with it yet. So let me go back to the desk cam. Open this up. Where is it gone? Flipper. Okay, so it says turn on the Bluetooth on your device. So we're going to settings perhaps, Bluetooth, turn that on. So Bluetooth is on. Go back to the screen and I will press connect on the app, like so. Yes, allow. So you can see, hopefully my phone there. It's found it, the Laney, so I'm going to press connect. It says, do I want to pair with Laney? I want to pair. Pairing code on there is 199074. It's 199074. Pair. No, I don't want to save that, thank you. So I'm in. Excellent. It's outdated firmware version straight away on there. It's not supported. Please update via PC. Okay. I'll click on how to update Flipper. So I'm not sure. I assume I've got to go USB-C into my computer. Okay, awesome. So there is a full guide there on how to update the firmware. So I've not got things set up. I've got too many cables plugged in here to start unplugging stuff now. So I won't do it now. So I'll do later on. I will do a firmware upgrade on the flipper. So the firmware upgrade on the flipper. The full setup on the phone app, and while we're at it, we'll try and get the garage door opener working from, sorry, the garage door opening using the flipper. Okay, so hopefully that video was useful. People that are waiting on their flippers, or people that are thinking of buying a flipper, I guess, because I think you can pre-order them. I think I've seen, and there's another store that's selling them, that's got stock. So hopefully that was useful. As I say, I'm looking forward to using the device. I'm no kind of tech expert, or I'm more of an enthusiast, just wanting to learn how to do things. It looked like a pretty cool tool. I liked Kickstarter previously because I used to get quite a lot of products on Kickstarter. So yeah, hopefully it's been useful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If for any reason you didn't like it, give it a dislike. If you want to follow along with flipper videos or other DIY videos, other electronics videos, I do some stuff with LEDs, please follow along, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay.